ka-Cessumz, it's me again, Ceci. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these press-on nails from Betty Cora. First of all, thank you so much Betty Cora for sending me these amazing products. Before we start, I'm going to show you a short montage of these beautiful products.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Step-by-step process on how to put press-on nails. First, you need to use the stick to push the nail cuticle. their products, try it out for yourself. You can also use my discount code, which is the BDY Maurice. I will post it in here. It's capital BDY and lowercase MARIZ. You can use this code to get a 20% off discount. You can also put in the order note the word gift to get a free glue remover. Isn't it amazing? What are you waiting for? Hurry and get yours now. If you want to purchase this amazing, beautiful press-on nails, you can check them in Amazon or through their website. I will put all the links in the description box below this video. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And feel free to like and share this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified if I have new video. Thanks for watching. See you at my next.